So I'm a Sony guy, and I love using the S Cinetone picture profile on my cameras. I picked up the ZV-1 Mark II a few months ago, and I've been using it a lot. My problem with it though is that it doesn't have S Cinetone. I'm not a professional or anything, so color grading has been an adventure for me. So trying to match the footage from the ZV-1 with my other Sony cameras has been a struggle. But I recently found a setting from Film Alliance that gives the ZV-1 the S Cinetone look. So I put up my camera and grabbed some test shots, so let's check it out. Now some adjustments may be needed in post, such as bumping up saturation, increasing the highlights, bringing down the shadows, but in most of my test shots I didn't really do that much to it and it came out really well. Anyways, if you're interested in trying out this look on your ZV-1, I'll link the video from Film Alliance down below. Oh, and special thanks to my model from this test shots.